Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video we are going to discuss about human digestive system. What is human digestive system? Our body needs energy and food to move, grow and stay alive. Our body cells cannot use the food in the form it is eaten by us. Our body changes it into simpler form. The process of changing the food into simpler form is called digestion. The parts of body that take part in the process of digestion form the digestive system. Eating well is one of the most important things we can do to keep our body healthy. Different foods are the sources of nutrients. Nutrients are the useful parts of our body. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, etc. are the nutrients. Our digestive system breaks down nutrients into simple molecules. These simpler molecules can pass through the wall of digestive tube to enter the blood. The blood carries them to every cell to produce energy or to become part of our body. So viewers, as we know that the human body is made up of trillions of cells. Cells group together to form tissues, organs and organ systems. The combined action of all the organ system allow people to perform various activities like offering salya. For more updates and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me.